Carfax one-owner vehicle. This 2002 Mazda MPV 5 van features a 3.0 V6 FI 6-cylinder gasoline engine. It is equipped with a 4-speed continuously variable transmission. The vehicle is shimmering sand with a beige cloth interior. It is offered as is, extended warranty is available. Call now at 201-200-1100 or visit www.instateauto.com. You can see more photos of this vehicle, free Carfax reports and over 300 more cars, trucks, vans and SUVs. Auto financing is available on most vehicles, all credit accepted. We provide all the paperwork, bill of sale, titles, reassignments and temp tags. Buy right off the LOT. We open at 9 a.m. every day. Air conditioning, climate control, cruise control, tinted windows, power steering, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, roof rack, rear air conditioning, clock, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, driver airbag, passenger airbag, ABS brakes, rear defogger, intermittent wipers, AM/FM, CD player, wheels, cloth interior surface, third seat, rear wipers, cup holders, heated mirrors, premium wheels, carpeted floor mats.